Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. So today, let we start SST चैप्टर नंबर 11 फॉसिल फ्यूल्स, यानी कि इसको हम बोलते हैं जीवाश्म ईंधन। अब ये होता क्या है? ऑल इंडिया ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वाज सेट अप फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ इंडिया इन 1885. Okay, a substance which is burned to produce heat and power of energy is known as fuel. है ना? ईंधन क्या होता है? जो है एक हीट एंड पावर, एक सब्सटेंस होता है, एक चीज होती है जिसको जला के ना क्या हीट और पावर प्रोड्यूस की जाती है। देयर आर मेनी सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी और फ्यूल्स अवेलेबल इन नेचर। पेट्रोल, डीजल एंड कैरोसिन आर सम कॉमन फ्यूल्स। है ना? पेट्रोल है, डीजल है, मिट्टी का तेल है ना, ये क्या है सब? ये जीवाश्म ईंधन है। रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी, द सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी विच इज अवेलेबल कंटिन्यूअसली और कैन बी रिन्यूड इन नेचर is known as renewable source of energy. Sunlight, wind, water, animal waste and the wood from plants are all examples of renewable sources of energy. ठीक है? तो अब इसके एनर्जी के स्रोत क्या क्या है? कैन बी नेचर, प्रकृति से हमें मिलते हैं। वो क्या क्या है? सूरज की रोशनी है, हवा है, पानी है, एनिमल्स वेस्ट है ना, लकड़ी है, पौधे हैं, ये सब क्या है? सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी। Okay, the source of energy which is not available continuously for cannot be renewed in nature is known as non-renewable sources of energy. Coal and petroleum are examples of non-renewable sources. यानी कि कोयला और पेट्रोल जो है ना, ये एक बार खर्च हो जाते हैं, इसको हम दोबारा यूज नहीं कर सकते। They are also called fossil fuels. ठीक है ना? They produce a large amount of energy on burning. Fossils are remains of plants that got buried millions of years ago and then decomposed. The fuels produced from the remains of plants buried under the earth millions of years ago are known as fossil fuels. Koila. Millions of years ago, coal was alive in the form of plants. When these plants died, their bodies sank into the ground. They were crushed under debris when the earth changed its shape during earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The dead plants were compressed under extreme conditions of temperature and pressure. This is how they gradually turned into coal. तो ये प्रोसेस है इसका। कोयले की खान है ये। Coal is now found in layers under the ground in those parts of the earth which were covered by forest millions of years ago. The place where earth is dug up to extract coal is known as a coal mine. है ना? कोयले की खदानें या खाने। Coal is used to cook food, generate electricity and run steam engine. है ना? खाना बनाने के लिए, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के लिए, इंजन को चलाने के लिए। Next one is petroleum. Petra means rock and oleum means oil. Petroleum or rock oil is also called crude oil. It is a very dark and thick liquid which is actually a mixture of a number of chemicals. Millions of years ago, most of the life on the earth was in the sea. When sea plants and animals died, their bodies were buried under layers of mud and silt on the seabed. Under high temperature and pressure, plants and animals are changed into crude oil and natural gases. The crude gas collected in large pools and is taken out of by drilling through the layers of rocks. Petroleum is used to run because these days we get leaded, unleaded coal. Natural gas, यानी कि प्राकृतिक गैस. Natural gas occurs along with crude oil. It is also found in coal mines. However, there are few wells that produce only natural gas. है ना? कुछ ही कुएं होते हैं जिनमें प्राकृतिक गैस जो है पाई जाती है। It can be used directly for burning. It is filled in cylinders and is used as a fuel. जो हम घर में डोमेस्टिक जो वो होती है ना गैस, जिसपे हम खाना बनाते हैं, है ना, तो ये उसके बारे में यहाँ बात हो रही है। नेचुरल गैस इज यूज्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कंप्रेस्ड नेचुरल गैस इन बिकॉज these fuels cause less air pollution and are therefore considered eco-friendly fuels. ठीक है, conserving fuels. We are continuously using up our reserves of coals and petroleum. These reserves cannot be renewed quickly because it is going to take millions of years for these fuels to be formed again. Moreover, once they are burned, they are finished forever. एक बार ये जलते हैं फिर ये फिनिश हो जाते हैं, इनको reuse नहीं किया जा सकता. Then estimates that our coal and petroleum reserve will last only for another 100 years approximately. It is therefore important for us not to waste fossil fuels. We should use them judiciously. If we do not conserve petrol and coal, our future generations might see them only in museums along with the vehicles which run with them. अगर हम इनकी ऐसे ही बर्बादी करते रहे ना, पेट्रोलियम कोल इन चीज़ों की, तो क्या होगा, धीरे धीरे जो हमारी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन है उनको ये चीज़ें म्यूजियम में देखने को मिलेंगी कि ये चीज़ें पेट्रोल से चलती थी. इसलिए ध्यान रखें. Both coal and diesel on burning produce pollution and cause breathing problems. Therefore, vehicles which are battery operated or use solar energy are being developed today. We can save precious fuels by walking to a place wherever possible or using bicycle. मतलब जहाँ तक हो सके, अगर हो सकता है ना हम पैदल जा सकते हैं, साइकिल से जा सकते हैं, तो हमें जाना चाहिए. थोड़ी थोड़ी दूर के लिए भी हमें पेट्रोल वाले जो साधन है वो नहीं लेने चाहिए. We can use public transport. We should hold awareness campings in our neighborhood to educate people about fast developing fossil fuels. All of us have to contribute in some way or the other towards a common goal of achieving a green and better earth. So, all topics are covered in this chapter. I hope you all are very well understand this chapter. Thank you.